Hello, my name is Dr. Dan Wedding, and this is DrWedding RC01, solving layer 1 of the Rubik's Cube. This video is going to teach you how to solve layer 1. I consider the first layer the hardest layer to teach because there's no memorizable pattern. You have to look at the cube and put all the parts in place as needed. The key points are: move the pieces using the middle layer or the bottom layer so you can get them aligned with their desired position. Bring the piece to the top. If the new piece pushes an existing piece out of the way, move the new piece 90 degrees. Bring back the old displaced piece. Bring back the new piece. In this video, you're going to learn to solve layer 1 of the Rubik's Cube. Layer 1 is solved when the entire face matches and all the perimeter pieces also match. In order to solve layer 1, we need to get one of the perimeter pieces in place, and then we're going to work around the center until the entire layer is complete. To get started, we need any piece on the top. So there we go. I have a white, red, green here. That means I need to find the white, red and put it here, or I need to find the white, green and put it here. The white, red happens to be right here. So all I need to do is move it up and it will be in place. But you'll also notice that as I moved this one into place, I'm knocking this one out of place. That's because these two pieces are coupled. They're on the same plane. So what I'm going to do is bring the new piece up. Next, I'm going to knock it off of this plane by moving it 90 degrees out of the way. This allows me to bring the piece I just displaced back. Now I can bring the center back. And these two are now next to each other. I now need the white red, which happens to be here. Anytime I need to move a piece, I have to bring it to the bottom or the middle so I can adjust it. So I'm going to take this one and bring it down to the bottom, and I'm going to decouple it from this plane and bring this plane back. Now the red-white is free to move and can be positioned where it can be moved to the top. I need to bring this white piece to here. When they're on the bottom, they end up diagonally across from where you want them. So this white piece on the bottom is going to end up at the top over here. Now I have a row. Next I need the white blue. Let's look for the white blue. White blue is over here. So I bring it on the bottom so it's lined up for where I want it. If I bring this straight up, it's going to be the wrong color orientation. When they're on the bottom, you have to rotate it into position. But just like before, by bringing the white blue into this position, I'm going to be knocking this corner out of position. The solution is always the same. Take the new piece, move it 90 degrees out of the way, bring the original piece back, and then bring the new piece back. Now we're looking for the blue-white corner, which happens to be here. We need to bring this white piece up. By bringing the white piece up, these two pieces are getting knocked out of alignment. Bring the new piece up. Move the new piece 90 degrees away. Bring the old pieces back. Bring the new piece back. Now we need the white orange. Right here is the white orange. It's on the bottom. I get it lined up and I rotate it into place. Again, by bringing this piece up, I'm knocking this piece out of alignment. So I bring the new piece up, take the new piece, push them 90 degrees out of the way, return the old piece to its original position, and bring the new piece back. I now have a white piece here that I can bring up. I bring him up, new piece, 90 degrees away, bring back the old pieces, bring back the new piece. The last white piece is over here. I use the bottom to get them aligned. I bring it up to the top. The new piece goes 90 degrees. The old pieces come back. The new piece comes back. And there the first layer is solved. Again, this is the hardest layer to solve because there's no memorizable pattern. What you need to do is practice solving layer 1 over and over and over until you get really good at it. Then move on to learning how to solve layer 2.